Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been a technology and social media enthusiast since the early days and first published on YouTube in July 2008. As an initial adopter, YouTube was beta testing its verified publisher program, and I earned my verified checkmark just because I am old, not because I have many followers. I created this channel to publish video content when I am moved to do so, and like other academics, I've experimented with publishing my course lectures. The YouTube copyright algorithm has changed over the years, and some of my lectures have been blocked. I don't expect anyone to follow my conversations from lecture to lecture, but my recorded courses have gaps and holes. Rather than worrying about missing content from decade-old lectures, I've published those I can to see if it will generate conversation. About me, I earned my Bachelor of Science degree with a double major in chemistry and physics in 1988 from Slippery Rock University of Pennsylvania, and my PhD in analytical chemistry in 1992 from The Ohio State University under Professor Terry Gustafson. After a short postdoc with Professor Russ Hilly in the Department of Medical Biochemistry at OSU, I continued my research into laser diagnostics development as an on-site defense contractor with Systems Research Laboratories at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base from 1993 to 1996. In 96, I left SRL to help start a new small business called Innovative Scientific Solutions Incorporated. While with ISSI, I designed data acquisition architecture and digital image analysis algorithms for emerging research in commercial optical diagnostic systems in the areas of particle image velocimetry, planar Doppler velocimetry, pressure-sensitive paint, and strain-sensitive skin, while serving customers within the defense, airframe, propulsion, NASA, and automotive industries. In 1999, I left industry to join the faculty of Salle University as a founding member of the Integrated Science, Business, and Technology major, where I developed and taught courses related to fundamental physics, materials, software development, and measurement systems. In the summer of 2020, as we were all isolated at home during COVID, my family and I quickly realized that if we were going to live and work in the same building for the foreseeable future, we would prefer to do it closer to the beach. In the fall of 2020, we picked up and moved to Lower Slower, Sussex County, Delaware. I resigned from my tenured position at LaSalle and secured a temporary visiting professor position at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore, a bit further south in Princess Anne, Maryland. In the fall of 2022, I started a full-time, tenure-track associate professor position at UMES in the Department of Natural Sciences within the chemistry program, serving as an analytical chemist. I am developing an independent faculty research laboratory in which I plan to continue my history of diagnostics development for projects of interest to my colleagues at UMES. The Sensors and Advanced Instrumentation Laboratory, or SAIL, has been launched with a very modest budget, and we initially collaborate with undergraduates on senior projects as we ramp up to a funded research laboratory that serves our UMES graduate program. I'm excited to share what we discover and learn within our projects, and I hope you will follow along. I also spend a lot of time introducing students to technologies they have yet to see before entering college. All students have various experiences, but introducing a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM toolkit is a valuable resource they can apply to their studies across all majors. This STEM toolkit includes familiarity with basic electronics and the Arduino family of microcontrollers, 3D design and printing using Tinkercad from Autodesk, and the graphical programming environment developed by National Instruments known as LabView, short for Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench. LabView is an important tool engineers and scientists use across various industries for data acquisition, instrument control, and automation. These areas cover energy, materials, and information, the three fundamental components of systems thinking, a holistic approach to understanding complex problems and finding effective solutions. I plan to introduce these topics through explanations and tutorials and hope you find them useful. Views, likes, and subscribes are fantastic, but as a social media non-influencer, I value your comments and questions and hope to provide understandable explanations and share my enthusiasm for STEM, which has only grown over the past 30 years. Thanks for visiting.